is another variation of a move that we love called Around the World, and here's what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Woo. All right. So there's 4 8 counts here. But first we start off with a left turn. A simple left turn in order to get into the position to step forward. And here's what I mean. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And notice how my body is turned. We're not back here like we did in the left turn video. I'm at an angle here because I want to step forward. Yeah? I want to step forward on the 1. So it looks like this. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And pause here. We step forward. We're going to make sure we keep her hand on our stomach here. And we have a good frame to catch her hand here. And this motion is what we want. We're still doing our basic, but I'm just showing you the motion we want, yeah? This is the position, yeah? We'll step this way too to make sure. We're here. And we gotta make sure that both the follows and leads have a good frame in order to have this going. See, notice Hannah's frame here. It's firm, so that I can control where she moves. Yeah. Okay, let's try it again. Let's do a left turn first, and then we're gonna get into that position to step forward. 1, 2, left turn. 5, 6, here. 1, 2, ask for the hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can keep going for as many times as we want. So I usually like to do it 1 time. And then when you're ready to exit, we're gonna lift this hand and bring it above her head, like this. Yeah? Let's do the whole thing again, so I can explain that last exit part. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 7, 8. 1, ask for the hand. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as we exit, a cool styling move is to put this arm above our head so we get into this closed position and we can do our basics or go back into open. Yeah? I like this move a lot. It's playful, and especially as you're going around the world, you can like look at each other's eyes and just enjoy the dance, smile, and have fun. We'll do it from this angle. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, and 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, and prep. 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic. Nice. Okay, we'll do it from this angle 1 last time, all right? Around the world. 5, 6, left turn. 1, and 3, and 5, and 7. 1, and 3, and 5, and 7. 1, 2, prep. 5, 6, above the head, basic. And free spin. Woo. So that's one example of the around the world that I really like to do. And it's very fun. Look at your partner, it's playful. And it's not as complicated once you have the frame. If you have the frame, you can move your partner in a lot of different positions. And with the frame, helps you lead the turn as well. Yes?
Yes.
All right.